The water is still relatively calm, but preparations are intensifying here along the coast. Storm shutters are starting to go up as residents remain on high alert. Hurricane Dorian nearly as wide as Ohio.
Water on the right.
The threat has customers in South Florida jamming stores.
Let's keep the line moving, please.
Buying supplies to keep them safe and sound.
A fan to help cool in case we lose power. We can run it off the generator.
The uncertainty has people on edge.
It's all this not knowing where it's going to come, how bad it's going to hit.
The entire state in the danger zone as a Category 3 storm spins closer.
This is a major event. It's much better to be prepared and then not have to face it than to go into one of these things unprepared.
The Bahamas bracing too. Back in South Florida, at the docks, boats secured as business owners board up.
It's better just to be prepared and get it done.
Preparing for flooding, a priority too. Here in Melbourne, people waited at least 4 hours for 10 sandbags, and more than 20,000 were distributed over 2 days.
I'd rather wait for the 4.5 hours. You know, my life is more important.
At the hurricane headquarters of Florida Power and Light, teams are planning for post-storm outages.
We're also reaching out to neighboring utilities to try and identify more resources for what we expect could be a very dangerous storm.
Also dangerous for the state's most vulnerable. Near Cocoa Beach, Rockledge Regional Medical Center is putting its emergency plan into action.
It involves making sure we've got staffing in place, making sure we've got physicians ready to go, making sure that we've got plenty of food and supplies to really last at least 96 hours.
And as the storm closes in, Florida's National Guard has 2,000 troops on alert, activated for any emergencies ahead. Kathy Park, NBC News, Brevard County, Florida.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.